Hello students, good time to all. I am Chandan Kumar Pradhan. Welcome to your YouTube channel Chandan Physics. In this video, we are going to discuss solution of Laplace equation in Cartesian coordinates. Let's begin. The Laplace equation in Cartesian coordinates, that is grad square u is equal to 0, which is known as the Laplace equation, and it has a wide application in solving different engineering problems, and occurs in the study of electrostatics, heat flow, velocity potential in hydrodynamics problems, etc. In 3 dimension, that Laplace equation in that of Cartesian coordinates is given as, that is del 2u del x2 del 2u del y2 plus del 2u del z2 is equal to 0. That is equation number 1. That is the Laplace equation in Cartesian coordinates in 3 dimension. As u is a function of x, y, z, we can use the method of separation of variables, that is u is equal to, that is x is a function of x only, y is a function of y only, z is a function of z only. That is equation number 2. Using that equation number 2 in that of equation 1, using equation 2 in equation 1, we get, that will be del 2 del x2, that is small x, x, y, z plus del 2 by del y2 of x, y, z plus del 2 del z2 of x, y, z is equal to 0, which implies differentiating with respect to x, another 2 as constant, that means yz del 2x by del x2 plus xz del 2y by del y2 plus xy del 2z by del z2 is equal to 0, which implies, now dividing x, y, z on that of both sides, that is yz divided by x, y, z del 2x del x2 plus xz divided by x, y, z del 2y del y2 plus xy divided by x, y, z del 2z divided by del z2 is equal to 0, which implies, that is yz cancel out, 1 by x del 2x del x2 plus x z cancel out 1 by y del 2y del y2 plus 1 by z del 2z del z2 is equal to 0, which implies 1 by x del 2x by del x2 is equal to minus 1 by y del 2y del y2 minus 1 by z del 2z by del z2. Let I prefer it as equation number 3. In that of equation 3, in equation 3, LHS is a function of x only, while RHS is a function of y and z only. Hence, each must be equal to some constant, each side must be equal to same constant. Then we can say 1 by x del 2x del x2 is equal to, let k1 square be a constant, equation number 4, and that side, that is minus 1 by y del 2y del y2 minus 1 by z del 2z del z2 is equal to k1 square. Let equation number 5. From that of equation 4, from equation 4 we get 1 by x del 2x del x2 is equal to k1 square, which implies del 2x del x2 minus k1 square x is equal to 0. This type of differential equations solution is in the form like this. Equation number 6, the solution of equation 6 is given by, that is x is equal to c1 e to the power k1x, that is equation number 7. Again, from that of equation 5, from equation 5 we get, that is minus 1 by y del 2y del y2 minus 1 by z del 2z del z2 is equal to k1 square, which implies 1 by y del 2y del y2 is equal to minus 1 by z del 2z del z2 minus k1 square, this 2 that side, that 2 that side. That equation number 8. in that of equation, in this equation LHS is a function of y only, but RHS is a function of z only. Hence each side must be equal to same constant. Let that constant be, let it be k2 square. Therefore we can write then that is equal to a constant, that side also equal to a constant. 1 by y del 2 y del y2 is equal to k2 square, which implies del 2 y del y2 minus k2 square y is equal to 0. That equation number 9. That solution will be how much? Y is equal to, that solution y is equal to C2 e to the power k2 y. This is the solution of that type of differential equation. Again also that side also equal to a constant. Also we write 1 by z del 2z del z2 minus k1 square is equal to k2 square, which implies 1 by z del 2z del z2 is equal to minus k1 square plus k2 square, which implies 1 by z del 2z del z2 is equal to, let that entire term be a new constant k3 square, where k3 square be minus of k1 square plus k2 square. That is, which implies del 2z del z2 minus k3 square z is equal to 0. Equation number 11. Then its solution like that of z is equal to C3 e to the power k3z. Equation number 12. Hence the solution of that of Laplace equation, we prefer that be the solution. Then putting the values of x, y and z, we get the solution. Therefore we can write, hence the solution of equation 1 is given by u is equal to x y z is equal to c1 e to the power k1x, c2 e to the power k2y, c3 e to the power k3z, or u is equal to c1 c2 c3 e to the power k1x k2y plus k3z, or u is equal to, that is summation over k1 k2 k3 c e to the power k1x k2y plus k3z. That equation number 13, where that C1, C2, C3 C1, C2, C3 here, that is C of K1, K2, K3, that is C of, I can write it clearly as U is equal to summation over, that is C of K1, K2, K3 into e to the power K1x, K2y plus K3z. Okay, that means C1, C2, C3 the same as that of C of K1, K2, K3 is an arbitrary constant and can be found by using initial boundary conditions. This is the solution, that is U is equal to summation over C of K1, K2, K3, that is nothing, that is C1, C2, C3, C1, C2, C3 into e to the power K1x, K2y plus K3z. It is the solution of that Laplace equation in Cartesian coordinates in 3 dimension. So, with the help of this video lecture, we understand what should be the solution of Laplace equation in Cartesian coordinates. That is the Laplace equation in that of Cartesian coordinates in 3 dimension. Let me assume by using the method of separation of variables, the solution of that of partial differential equation be that one, proceeding like this. Since this portion is a function of x only, that portion is a function of y and z only, that means we have to equate each side with the same constant and get its solution. Again equate that side with that same constant. Also we get another way to define the two sides to same constant k2 square. Again there will be two solutions. Hence, putting the values like x, y and z in that of equation 1, we finally get, that is u is equal to that much. This is the solution of Laplace equation in Cartesian coordinates in 3 dimension. So, with this useful and informative notes, let me wind up this session. Thank you.